Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to make beautiful thumbnail for your YouTube videos using PowerPoint. So let me start the PowerPoint. So click on this. Here start from the blank one and add your text that I want to make a video on the how to make thumbnail for your YouTube video. So write this. So here you see I type my text, make an attractive thumbnail for your YouTube videos with PowerPoint. So let's change the color of your text, color or style of your font and your this text. So from here change the text style. So I want to name as a show card gothic. So I like this style. For the whole apply show card gothic. So this is a good looking style, and here you can also change this one, but I like this one. So in the next you can also add some picture to your thumbnail. So here I want to add these two. Select both and then bring here. So this is very huge. Make it decrease. So this size is okay. Change its position also. Bring it to the middle. So this is I think the middle section. So now your thumbnail is created. You can change the design from here. You can apply the different design to your background, make it black. You can also, but I want to change it from here. So come to here and apply the gradient, or maybe it a texture fill. So from here apply different colors. So here when you move this, the gradients change. So let's apply on another different color. Let me try this one. So from here you can change its effects. This is okay, I think. Apply different radials, and the radial you have different options. You can try any one of them, but the linear was I think okay. This one and this one. So this is right, but let me add some effect to this. Control Z, and from here change this. You can also add another color here. From here you can add any color. So let's add a green color. So I think this is okay. Let me add another color as well. I want to make a colorful background. Move over here. This. Let's try this one. So this is how I make a thumbnail for my through the PowerPoint for my videos. So thank you for watching this, and now you can save it as a thumbnail. So save as, and the shortcut for save as is F12. So from here on the desktop, and change the style PNG. So let's cancel this right now, and from here try on the export. So this is the right way. Change the file type and click this. So save as with this name on the desktop, and now here is a JPG file. So click on the desktop, click OK, save just this slide. And now check here your thumbnail is created. So now you can use this as your thumbnail for YouTube videos. So thank you for watching this.